Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. This is June monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you Sagittarius. Guys, this is general. So if it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you Sagittarius for the month of June. Sagittarius Fire Sign. What are the messages for you? And what's going on, Sagittarius? So Sagittarius under the deck Emperor and Eight of Cups. I think there is separation between you and your person. Maybe you decided to walk away from this connection. For some you already did it. Yes, you walked away from this connection in recent past and you stand by your power. Maybe you want to make now maybe for some you are waiting for this person, you want to make a move, but you have some problem to make a first move. Maybe because you are the honest person in this connection, so you don't want to make any move. Maybe you are waiting for them. Yes. So let's see our reading. Recent past, the Hangman, Nine of Swords and Ace of Swords. Yes. So in recent past, you are in very depleting energy because Nine of Swords energy, very anxiety and depression type of energy. You are getting a lot of thoughts. You are unable to sleep and you're feeling stuck. Yes, because for some you are in separation, for some you are in no contact. Even though you are in relationship, this is on and off connection. There is no equal give and take. That's why you are feeling stuck. So Ace of Swords. So you decided to cut off this person from your life, even though you love this person. See, even though you still have emotions for this person, but you have to do that. Yes, you have no option because you have to give priority to self respect also. So that's why maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life. Then present Four of Wands, Eight of Wands and Ace of Cups. For some you started loving yourself more than anybody else. You started doing self love, giving priority to yourself and taking care of yourself. I think communication is coming from someone, lots of communication. Eight of Wands energy is here. Someone wants to communicate with you, and Four of Wands, and there is celebration is coming. Especially, I think you're getting a lot of appreciation in your work. I am getting celebration, success. For some, a new person is also entering into your life. Then future Four of Swords, Ten of Pentacles and Seven of Pentacles. So you are healing yourself, you are doing meditation to heal yourself. And Ten of Pentacles, you are creating more money, especially in career wise. It is very good Sagittarius. You are getting more money and more stability. And Seven of Pentacles, I think you're still waiting on something of for someone. Definitely Seven of Pentacles waiting energy. You have money, you have success, but you're still waiting. You're still missing someone or missing something. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So, Sagittarius, let's see your person current feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Seven of Swords. Definitely trust issues. I think your person in past, maybe they lied to you or cheated on you or miscommunication for some third party situation also. So, let's see their current feelings. Their current feelings. Wow. See, communication. Definitely communication. There is a huge probability for communication. And Temperance, it's your reading and it's your card, Sagittarius. And under the deck, Eight of Pentacles and Four of Swords. See, your person also healing and they are also thinking about you a lot, and you're also thinking about them a lot. And Eight of Pentacles, definitely they want to work on this relationship. Maybe if you are in separation, they are realizing your worth and they are patiently waiting. Definitely your person thinking and waiting. King of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, and Death or Rebirth. Definitely, if you are in separation, your person want rebirth in this connection, and the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio or another Sagittarius. So they want to offer stability. They're thinking about stability in this connection. And Eight of Wands, your person planning to communicate with you. They want to express their feelings. Lots of communication. I think for a lot of you, there is a chance for lots of communication because Eight of Wands came twice in this reading. So let's see their intentions. Ace of Swords, Ten of Swords, Eight of Swords, and Four of Cups is here. So under the deck, Two of Wands and Page of Swords. Definitely for some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. They are thinking about you a lot, Sagittarius. They are spying on you. They are wondering about you a lot. So definitely communication. There is a chance for communication. Ten of Swords. There is so much pain. Right now they're feeling stuck. Yes, they want to communicate with you. Right now they're feeling stuck. Eight of Swords energy. They are stuck on you and thinking about you, and they want to communicate with you. Once this energy gone, definitely they will communicate back and forthly, because right now they're spying, they keep tabs on you, and they're thinking about you a lot. For some, your person may be having options, but they are gonna choose you because they still want rebirth in this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah. So Queen of Wands with Lovers. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Under the deck, Three of Pentacles. Reconciliation. I think your person want to take action. For some, your person is very aggressive and dominate. Yes, once this energy gone, definitely they are going to make action. And the Lovers card, definitely love is there between both of you. High Priestess, one card is popped out. Maybe you started listening to your intuition, Sagittarius. Five of Wands. Yeah, there are some disturbances between you and your person. Drama. So you are undergoing some transformation. You are isolated from all and thinking everything in detail. And some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Some new cycles are going to be begin. Yeah, they are going to be make action. But it will take some time, to be honest with you, because right now your person feeling stuck. There is so much pain. Let's see mutual. Yeah, Passion and Death and Magician. Yeah, for some it is one type of ending between you and your person. So for some it could be months, for some it could be days. The separation had happened between both of you. But I think manifesting, someone is manifesting other person in this connection. One person, the full new beginnings. Yes. So still there is passion between both of you. I think you both are very, very powerful couple, what I'm getting here. So they are going to be make action, but it will take some time, because right now they're feeling stuck, because 10 of Swords, 8 of Swords, and Ace of Swords. But they want to communicate with you. Once the energy gone, lots of communication will come, and there is lot of passion between both of you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Sagittarius. Options. I'm feeling sad without you. Family issues. Yeah, for some family also involved. Will you forgive me? I want to express my love. I can't give you what you need. So the messages are options. I'm feeling sad without you. Family issues. Will you forgive me? I want to express my love. and I can't give you what you need. So these are the messages. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Definitely they are sad without you and they want to express their love. For some they have options, family issues. They want to say apology to you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck Sagittarius. A personal issue reaches resolution, full moon in Cancer. And another one, look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius. Wow. So definitely personal issue reaches resolution. So some issues, especially personal issues, you will get solution very soon. And look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius. So if you want to achieve anything but you are not seeing any results, but it is not true, look at the bigger picture, definitely something big will come into your way. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.